This is a small project. I'm going to take a diagram of a violin. I'm going to cut it on mere acrylic. This is a full-size diagram. I'm going to trace this diagram using Logic Trace 2018, and I've selected polylines. The first trace here is to trace out the perimeter of the violin. As always, I mark my starting spot with a red pencil, and when I come around, I stay away from that spot about 1/4 of an inch, and I let the software close up the vector. The outside perimeter is pretty straightforward. Just follow the line all the way around. When I cut the mere acrylic, I'll be flipping it over and cutting it on the gray side. It's not a good idea to cut it on the other side, as the reflection goes back up into the laser head. Now that the perimeter has been traced out, we'll start doing all the internal parts, the bottom part of the violin, the midsection, and the neck. We're getting close here to finishing up, so I'll create my file, and then we'll put that file into Vectric Aspire 10.0, check the vector quality, see if there's any node editing, and when I'm done that, I'll run it to the simulator just to see how the piece looks. I'm going to load that checked file now into the laser software and prepare for a cut. I'm showing here that I'm using a 150 watt CO2 laser, running about 80% power, at about 4.7 speed. You can see here we're getting a nice fine cut, and I sort of feel the fine cut is due to the increased air pressure I'm using on the head. Once this is cut, it should just pop right out. Here's the cut violin with the gray side up, and now this is the finished product with the mirror image facing up. Looks good.